Um, hello viewers. Hello viewers. Welcome to uh, the channel Ken Don. Here we shall be sharing from time to time um, important concepts in chemistry that will help beginners understand and be well grounded in the subject of chemistry, and we also help professionals as well, even in further deepening their knowledge of the basics up to the intermediate ideas of chemistry. So if you are new to this channel, I want to encourage you to please hit the subscription button, subscribe, and turn on notification bell to receive all updates on this channel. Alright, having said that, like I said once again, from time to time we shall be posting on this channel very important concept in chemistry with an approach or a method that will be very easy, that even an absolute novice in the field of chemistry can follow and become somebody well grounded in this subject of chemistry. Having said that, in this video we are going to lay a very important foundation of the subject of chemistry. That's why we have on the board understanding the basics of chemistry. You will agree with me that chemistry is one of the major sciences. It's one of the major sciences alongside biology and physics, and it is a very important subject in science. With that said, it is also important or worth mentioning that this subject poses a lot of difficulty to so many people all over the world because of the abstract nature of chemistry and even sciences in general, especially when you are studying, you are trying to master the concept from the past, from books, from textbooks and all manner of materials like that. It poses difficulty to learners, which is why on this channel we shall be assisting with that. Now, having said that, moving to understanding the basis of chemistry once again, we are talking of the basis of chemistry. The best way to start is actually from the definition. You try to attempt the definition of chemistry. We try to look at what is chemistry. But for the purpose of this video, I will not be going into that because we have so many definitions of chemistry, so many contributions from many authors all over the world, in Africa, Europe, world all over. We have so many contributions. So I won't be bothering you with the definition of chemistry. I will advise get used to the definition that is well accepted in your area, in your continent, wherever you are watching from. I will only be focusing on the important aspects that will make you well grounded in this chemistry. Now, having said that, we are going to start with a symbol. Symbol. Now, why is the concept of symbol so important? It is important because it is known that there are over 108 elements. There are over 108 known chemical elements all over the world, over 108. Some of them occur naturally in nature, that is, you can get them, from substances like plants, like animals, and so on and so forth. Some of them are made, produced in the laboratory, that is, they are synthesized. Whichever way, whatever the source of these chemical elements, there are about 108 elements, even more known elements. And chemistry deal with reactions among various chemical elements, reactions among various chemical compounds. For example, we can talk of the reaction of acid with base. We can talk of reaction of one organic compound with another. So chemistry is a subject that involves a lot of reaction, because so many things are being done even in chemistry. Now, for the fact or because of these constant reactions, for example, is going to be voluminous or somehow awkward to be writing, for example, hydrochloric acid, hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, which is a base. Sodium hydroxide is a base. For example, sodium hydroxide to produce sodium chloride and water, This is going to be somehow wordy, be full of so many words, laborious and all manner of that. So to avoid repetition and all this kind of awkward, voluminous writing, the concept of symbol is introduced into chemistry, to make things a bit simpler, to reduce the volume, and for the purpose of documentation. So, having said that, let's move to the concept of symbol. Like I said, we have more than 108 chemical elements that is known. In this video, we'll mention some of them, maybe about 15 or 18, and if time permits, we can mention up to 20 of these elements. Alright, the first element we shall be mentioning here, which people usually argue to be the first element in the periodic table, is hydrogen. We shall be mentioning hydrogen. So the name is hydrogen element. Let's have elements, and then symbol. Element, symbol. On top of hydrogen has atomic number 1. Call it atomic number. Maybe I should adjust this somewhere here. Let's have elements. This is atomic number. Hydrogen has atomic number of 1. In the periodic table, the atomic number is something like the serial number. So hydrogen has atomic number of 1. And the symbol of hydrogen is H. The capital letter H. Capital letter H is the symbol of hydrogen. Capital letter H. Now, another element, which is the second one with atomic number 2, is helium or helium. Helium has atomic number of He. Helium has atomic number of He. We also have lithium. Lithium has symbol, not atomic number. Lithium has the symbol of He. Lithium has capital letter capital letter A and small letter I. That's the symbol for helium. We have number 4, we have beryllium. Beryllium has atomic number 4. It has symbol of capital letter B and small letter E. That's beryllium. We have the fifth one, which is boron. Boron has the symbol capital letter B. So these are the first 5. I will need to clean this place up so that I can continue. with the elements. So like I said, the first element is hydrogen. It has atomic number 1. In subsequent videos, I will tell you the usefulness and the importance of atomic number. The atomic number, like I said, is just like the serial number, how the elements follow each other in the periodic table. With the atomic number, we can actually say a lot. We can talk, we can say so many things about elements in the periodic table, even with the atomic number. So, but that is not the purpose of the video for this morning. This morning we are focusing on symbol. Symbol is one of the very basic ways to understand the concept of chemistry. We have hydrogen, the first element. The symbol is H, like we have seen on the board. Now let me proceed a little further to mention more elements that we can come across easily, or that is well known in the field of chemistry. I want to clean this one so that I can even write more clearer. Let me clean up this so that I can write more clearer. Again, I said we have atomic number. This atomic number. Then we have the element.
Symbol.
And then we have symbol. Okay. Now we've written up to boron. Now we continue with number 6, which is carbon. Carbon is number 6. Carbon is a very popular element. We talk of charcoal. We have carbon. Talk of so many things that carbon. Carbon is found in so many things, and it's a very successful element. Like that, you even go to concept like organic chemistry, which is later, on this channel. So carbon has symbol of capital letter C. Then number 7, we talk of nitrogen. Nitrogen has a symbol of capital letter N. Then we talk of oxygen. Oxygen has a symbol of capital letter O. Number 9, oxygen. We have fluorine. has symbol of capital letter F with small letter E. That is fluorine. We have fluorine there, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and then fluorine. Right, we still continue. We have elements. Continue with elements. We have up to fluorine, and then fluorine is number 9. Number 10, the serial number is 10, and that also happens to be the atomic number. So we have neon. Neon has symbol of capital letter N with small letter E. That's neon. And then we proceed to sodium. Sodium has a symbol of capital letter N with small letter A. Sodium that's 11. Number 12. Sodium is 11. Alright, don't forget that what is important, which I want you to take note here, is we started from the first one, which is hydrogen. We started from the first one, which is hydrogen. And like I said, that hydrogen is the first element, number 1. The atomic number is number 1. And it is also the serial number according to our listing in this place. And the symbol, it is very important that you take note of the symbol. So for the purpose of this video, because I don't want the video to be so long, we are going to stop it here. In subsequent videos, we try to extend the list up to the first 20 elements, first 30 elements as necessary. Then we begin to lay other important foundation in the concept of chemistry. So before the next video, I need you to please take the following very important, or maybe a kind of a practice or assignment, if you call it. Read through the names of the elements. These names are just like the names of your friends. As we have name of friends, name of things, name of places, these elements are also given name just for the purpose of identification. So take note of their names, take notes of the atomic number. You can just see it as a serial number, even as released. Then very importantly, take note of the symbol. Take note of the symbol. You'll have seen that some of them have a symbol of a single letter of the alphabet, which is usually capital letters. Some of them have two letters combined together, one capital letter, the other one small letter. And actually we have history, we have origin, how we come about these symbols, and even the names. But like I said, those are not important things for exams or for the purpose of understanding. Those are in the area of history. What is important is what we are concerned with in this channel. So thank you for watching. Like I said, if you are just joining, please encourage us to do more of this so that other people can be reached, so that we can help other people by hitting the subscription button. Please, very importantly, also give a like to this video. Please give a thumbs up, press the thumbs up as you watch for this video, so that YouTube can send this video to other people, and they also can be helped with this concept. And do well to turn on notification for subsequent videos. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.